All right, everyone, we're back at the Garage of Curiosities again, working on the Bobcat. So, in this video, we're gonna do some lighting. Now, I will preface, I kind of already did some work before. I'm like, oh, that's right, I should probably film this. So, the ammeter is replaced, and I put the light switch right there. So this kit comes with an entire harness. So this is all together right now. The wiring is right now just a connector, so we'll figure that one out later. But it's essentially just a full harness, and so I think the wiring to the battery is really made for like a vehicle. So the wiring to the battery is pretty long, so I'll have to shorten that up, and then the wiring to the lights is actually pretty short, so that'll have to get lengthened. But really what we're going to do on this is, I'll bring you with here. I don't know if we'll film all of it at once because I need to do a little bit of work on the front, but OSHA approved step over here. What we are going to do, so I want to mount, so I got two of these, so I want to mount them right here off of the corners. So I've already got a few things that I need up here. Hey, you've heard this one before. My good cutting fluid is in the shed, and I'm not gonna go get it. So we've got everyone's favorite, does everything and more, WD-40. So I think what we're gonna do, this video might be a little short. Really, I'm gonna drill these holes through. Hopefully I can make it, and then get this mounted. So, cause yeah, I want it, like it sits on this, so it's gonna sit a little high, which will be fine. And then I want to angle it, I want to angle it kind of, in the back. I want to be able to see, so, because this thing will be used for more than just the summer when it's nice and bright at 7 p.m. So having some lighting will definitely come in handy. So let me get everything kind of set up here. It won't take very long. I'm actually probably going to go get some hearing protection because the drill's loud. And then a hammer for my center punch screwdriver. And then we'll get drilling. So I'm gonna measure and mark out this corner and then this corner. So then we should be able to get, these lights on. The front light, in fact, I'll bring it with real quick. Oh, hey, look, there's the hammer. The front light, I'm gonna mount on this bar, or on this, the cage up here. It's bent though, and I have zero desire at this moment in time to take the thing off and finagle it and, basically bash it back into straight. So that'll probably be a spring thing when I take off the cab, and then I'll probably just use the torch and heat it up and bend it straight. So for now, we're not gonna worry about it. So I just want to get the backlights on so that I can just mark that as done. And then still waiting on that alternator part. So, who knows if I did the wiring right. But I'm feeling pretty good about it. So, and I got, real quick too, I'll just show you. And I got this all connected as well. So this wire runs over there, so that's good. And we just then need to get the wiring harness itself for the lighting probably tidied up. I don't know if we'll do that this video either. I think I just want to, it might be a short one. We'll just film that, me drilling, get some fancy B-roll for maybe a different video. And then we'll get the lights wired up, and then I'll probably explain what I'm going to do with the wiring, and then I'll probably bring you along for the ride once I can actually turn the key and things can happen. So, because right now, the battery is right there. So I don't think anything's gonna happen when we turn that key. So let me find a few things, and then I'll bring you back and we'll start drilling. All right, so I've got them marked, measured out. They're gonna be equal on both sides, which is what matters. Let's see if we can drill through this, huh? Hey, gosh, that was easy. I was getting slightly worried. Okay, where's the next one? My drill's been acting up. I hope it's not ready to take a dump. That's gonna really annoy me. My wife has a DeWalt drill. I'll probably have to just go steal that one. All right, so the first hole is gonna be for the screw. There we go. All right, so that will get the mounting hole here, which is perfect. Oh gosh, all the chips. Oh, they're so hot. So that'll get us this mounted. And then what we need to do is probably just behind it, like immediately behind it somewhere, put another hole for the wire. We'll do that here in a second. Let me drill this other hole, and then we'll kind of quasi-mount one and get an idea where it's going to sit. So you just get to do a lovely 180. And let me see if you should still be able to see it right. I mean, that's close enough. All right, let's drill. Right, we're not going to hit anything. You can hear the weird like pulsating and RPMs on my drill. I think it's on its way out. I'll have to buy a new one. I'm not very happy about that. I like this drill. I've put this thing through the ringer so many times though, it's not even funny. Yeah, we are on 2, so I mean should be ready to drill. Cool. All right, let me go get a towel. We'll wipe all this up, get all these metal chips out of the way. And then like I said, we'll kind of quasi-mount one of these and see what it looks like, and then we'll go from there. So see you back in a second. All right, so decided we're gonna do 1 inch from the existing hole. Ow, oh gosh, that almost hit my thumb. That would not have been cool. So I've got the other side marked too. You'll hear the ping of my screwdriver. That is the sacrifice. All right, let's drill a pilot hole, and then we'll kind of guesstimate the diameter of that wire and try and drill as small of a hole as possible for it. I mean, we'll end up seeing if I can't find like a rubber grommet or something along those lines for it. Or silicone caulk, baby. I'm not too worried about it. All right, you're gonna hear the other one wind up. Whoops. Okay, sweet. So now that is all done. Oh gosh, man, these Milwaukee drill bits. I'm a big yellow guy, but these Milwaukee drill bits that I also got for free are fantastic. All right, so now there's a whole bunch of ways you can go about doing this. You could get a caliper. You know, we could try a tape measure, you know, and do the old. You'll also forgive me. I'm not like, I can't see the, you know, maybe like a 1/2 inch. There's no way that's like, I don't know, it's a 1/4 inch. Or, you know, you can just kind of YOLO swag the. Hey, what are you doing down there, you mutt? Yeah, that's what I thought. That's right, you go away. Or you can just do what I do and I just, you know, compare wires or compare the bit to the wire until it looks like it fits. So 1/4 inch was actually correct, but this is Chinese made, so it's actually probably metric. 1/4 inch is just close enough for those that follow the imperial system. Far superior, if you ask me. I love doing fractions constantly in my head. It makes me so happy. All right, cool. Now, let's actually, let's bring you back over. There you go, there's the mess we made. However, oh gosh, that thing turns on always at the worst time. I should be able to just feed this through. It should be, oh gosh, that is like a perfect fit. Yeah, oh gosh, look at that, sweet. Like I said, I think we're gonna do a short video. I got a mess to clean up. And at least for that one, I should probably deburr the underside of it. So, but pretty much this video will end here anyway. Like I said, it's a little bit of a short one. I'm gonna get these things mounted, and then I think I'm probably just gonna plan the wiring, and then I'll bring you along for the next time when we're running the wiring. I promise I'll do it this time when we're running the wiring. And then also putz it around with that wiring harness too, because by then we should be able to start it up by the time that we're done and test that everything works. So I'll catch y'all in the next one. Smack that subscribe button, smack that like button. That, you know, we're not on Twitch, so there's no follow, but leave a comment, you know, what you think we should do here come spring on this thing. And yeah, help the YouTube algorithm help me. So peace out. Catch you later.